I am part of a team within Marriott International called Executive Excellence that resides in our owner and franchise services organization. And our team is really focused on coaching new-to-Marriott franchise management companies so that they really understand how to operate our hotels. Transitioning from a platform that was really focused on just delivering content through slides and various decks, we really embraced the NovoEd platform and used it to create a much more dynamic way to deliver engaging content so that we could truly update quickly and customize easily and handle this at scale in a way that we could not do before. It has really modernized the experience for them. Almost to the learner, they say it's intuitive. And I think that's been a big win for them because of this ability to have something that is at that primary course level be our go-to. And then the ability to clone and then further customize has enabled us to take that personalization to the place that we want it to be, because we have the time savings now and we have the capabilities through the platform to do that. It's been a really big win. So we can just personalize so much better, and it's much less management of the content, much more delivery, which is where the win is for everybody.